Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our latest new tool, the RFX-12. The RFX-12 is a 12-inch long F connector tool designed to remove those stubborn, seized and corroded on F connectors. The tool features the following: a heavy-duty socket with a heavy-duty weld to allow for more torque to be applied to the socket. It has a nut at the base of the shaft here, allowing you to put a wrench so that you can get more torque onto the socket. Lastly, it has a short socket head. The reason for this is to clear tight bend cables such as I have here. Allow me to demonstrate. Just simply goes on, it's over, tighten, loosen. You can see how I can easily move the tool about. You would not be able to do this with the standard tool with a longer socket. There we go. The tool also features a dual component handle that has a rubber grip built into it for maximum comfort and maximum torque application. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.